Ever wondered how these massive ships sprint through the ocean? It's not magic. It's this metal beast called a propeller. Today, first, we play with mud, but this isn't for making sandcastles. Engineers create a massive mold with extreme precision. If there's even a 1-inch mistake, the ship will wobble like a drunk penguin in the water. These lazy engineers just built a massive ship propeller right in the dirt, and now they're pressing these thin sheets of paper into it. It honestly looks like they're just playing around, but trust me, they are about to create something mind-blowing. Ancient tech in action. Now look at this. They're sealing it up and stuffing wood inside. This is straight up ancient technology. They're going to fill the whole thing with mud, seal it shut. And when they finally crack it open, the perfect mold will be ready. They turned a joke into a masterpiece. You won't believe how they pulled off this incredible feat. Now, the furnace heats up. We melt the metal until it's screaming red. It's so hot that if you even think about your problems near it, your brain and your hair will evaporate instantly. It looks like we melted the sun and put it in a bucket. Once the metal is liquid, we pour it into the mold. It looks like a giant tea stall pouring tea, but trust me, you don't want to drink this. Then comes the test of patience. It takes longer to cool down than a teenager getting ready for a party. After it cools, we smash the mold. Workers attack the mud like people attacking a free buffet. Out comes a rough, ugly piece of metal that looks like how we all look when we wake up on a Monday morning. Totally messy. Now for the glow up. We grind and polish it until it shines like a diamond. This smooth finish isn't for beauty. It's so the ship doesn't vibrate like an old 1980s generator. We want it to slice through water like butter. The propeller is ready, and the ship is waiting. Now comes our real hero, the diver. This guy jumps into the murky water like a kid jumping into a swimming pool in summer. While we fear a little mud, he's down there wrestling with tons of metal. In the dark underwater world, he fits the propeller onto the shaft. It's like putting a SIM card into a phone, except this SIM card weighs thousands of kilos. He tightens the bolts while fishes ask, "Hey man, what's this new toy?" Mission accomplished. The propeller is on, the diver is safe, and the ship is ready to conquer the world. If you liked this video, smash that subscribe button like a diver tightening a bolt. See you in the next one.